I'm into back rubs, all kind of Japanese stuff. The wine, I know a place where they heat it up before they serve it. I got to go now.
Hello, men. I thought I'd come by for a personal inspection.
Okay, we get in, sir.
I guess so. Well, men, how's it going? I want you to give me a fix on the entire situation.
Not that good, sir.
Oh, this is very bad. Main thing is not to panic. Attention! Attention, everybody! If you do not disperse immediately, my men and I will have to arrest you.
Give me the thing!